Among all the celebrities that you have worked with so far, who's most likely to be the kindest to everyone on set?
Both Shah Rukh and Salman. Salman
Okay.
has got a heart of gold, and Shah Rukh is very courteous.
Who would improvise the whole scene?
Govinda.
Have starry tantrums?
Quite a few actresses.
What, according to you, makes Shah Rukh and Salman the mega stars that they are still today?
Shah Rukh is so smart, he's so intelligent, and Salman is so good at heart. I think the heart and the brain.
Lovely. Stalking anyone on Instagram right now?
No, I don't stalk anybody. Hi, this is Imani Shivpuri और आप सभी मुझे देख रहे हैं on Bollywood Hangama.
We always end our interview with a rapid fire that we'd like to play
Okay.
with you. Rapid fire with Himani ji. मेरा सबसे पहला सवाल है कि if you had to describe your journey in Bollywood with a song title, तो वो कौन सा गाना होगा?
हाय बाप रे. सुहाना सफर और ये मौसम हसी.
ऐसी एक कौन सी चीज़ है जो आप बॉलीवुड स्टार कल्चर में बदलना चाहेंगे?
Yes, I was just watching an interview of Anurag Kashyap who said कि एक स्टार का जो कुक है वो the makeup man he charges 1 lakh rupees. So I feel I would like to change that culture कि मतलब it should be reasonable because this is a bit too unreasonable.
This is a topic that has been going on, the entourage.
Yeah,
That is-
the entourage.
Yeah.
Why can't we be simple like Hollywood? यार उनके बड़े-बड़े stars हैं, they don't have such a entourage. There's a वो bus type जिसमें खाना लगा रहता है, सब लोग जाके खुद खाना खाते. खैर हम लोग खुद ही इतने बिगड़े हुए हैं. ड्राइवर चलाता है हमारी गाड़ी, वो तो खुद ही अपनी गाड़ी चलाता है. But that sort of thing should be there. मतलब why should the producer be taxed and then he should take it out on people like us? The second category कि बजट बहुत कम है, हमारे लिए बजट कम होता है.
Among all the celebrities that you have worked with so far, who's most likely to be the kindest to everyone on set?
Oh God, what a tough question. I think it's both. I mean, people I've worked with is both Shah Rukh and Salman. Salman
Okay.
has got a heart of gold, and Shah Rukh is very courteous.
Okay.
Courteous.
Who's an actor who is always late?
Govinda tha na.
Who would throw the best parties?
I think RK's and of course Salman.
Okay. Who would improvise the whole scene?
Govinda.
Give the best gifts.
Kareena.
Ooh. Flirt the most.
I think that's a very tough question. I think Jackie in his time, Jackie Shroff.
Okay.
Could be.
Have starry tantrums.
Have starry tantrums. Quite a few actresses.
We are waiting for names.
Well, it's not, it can't be one. There were quite a few.
Okay. A film of yours you wish more people had seen.
Prem Granth. And of course, Anjam perhaps.
What do you think of Kareena Kapoor and Hrithik Roshan's performance now in Main Prem Ki Deewani Hoon?
Well, obviously, at that time, like as you mentioned earlier, it seems a little over the top. Could have been subtler, but who am I to say?
Okay. What, according to you, makes Shah Rukh and Salman the mega stars that they are still today?
I think there has to be something. Talent to hai. Because without talent, you can't survive.
Correct.
And I think Shah Rukh is so smart, he's so intelligent. And Salman is so good at heart. I think the heart and the brain.
Lovely. One edge that theatre actors have over others. What is that one edge?
I think the experience, because we've done so many roles in theatre, and in theatre we go through the whole rehearsal process where we build up a character and we know how to get into a character. So I suppose that helps. I mean, not that people who haven't done theatre are not good actors. There are so many examples, but I'm just saying that helps. I suppose.
Definitely. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you enjoy Instagram?
I really like it. 10.
Are you stalking anyone on Instagram right now?
No, no, I don't stalk anybody.
What would you say is your biggest learning in all these years of being in the entertainment industry?
More than the learning, I'm so thankful that if I hadn't been in the entertainment industry, I wouldn't have survived,
Hmm.
because it gave me so much, you know. It filled my loneliness. It helped me make my career. It helped me find standing. It helped me have a house. वो कहते हैं ना, जो शशि कपूर कहते हैं मेरे पास गाड़ी है, बंगला तो नहीं है यार, फ्लैट है. It gave me so much, and it filled my life, you know. It filled the lonely corners of my life, and I think it made me a better human being. So I think I would like to say that.
That's beautiful. All I want to say is that हमारा पहला इंटरव्यू कमाल का रहा रिफत भी. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you
dear.
for being so warm
Thank
and
you.
so wonderful that you are. You really,
Thank you.
you know, showed us strength today and courage and how important these things are. So thank you so much for that.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys for watching us on Bollywood Hangama.
हाय, दिस इज हिमानी शिवपुरी और आप सभी मुझे देख रहे हैं ऑन बॉलीवुड हंगामा.